We are pleased to show you the 2017 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, roof rack, cruise control, trip computer, ashtray, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.